Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You leave site within the first 20-30 seconds with purpose. Choose an operator that matches your route and trade plan. Once done, drone the main push lanes to confirm enemy direction and count. Move deliberately toward your first rotation. Don't wander, so you control timing and angle setups. This gives you the advantage of surprise and lets anchors focus. Make sure to vacate common camera lines and call your intended lane to teammates before committing. You now oscillate between information and aggression. Peek only when you have intel or a teammate is contesting. Otherwise, gather sound cues and exploit verticality for isolated kills. Once you get a kill, immediately reposition to avoid being trade bait. Change elevation or flank through a different corridor. Make sure to hold one utility tool for area denial later, and keep rotation windows open so you can fall back to site. You finish by isolating key roam lanes and cutting enemy rotations so the site can be retaken or held. Once you hear final utility use, confirm enemy numbers and relay exact locations to anchors, then decide. Contest or retreat. If you win a fight, don't chase blindly, hold across to deny trades. Troubleshooting. If you're hunted or overexposed, disengage immediately to a preplanned anchor point, call for a trade, and use gadgets to stall for 5-7 seconds while teammates rotate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.